the narrative wars is something that is extremely important to talk about because what Sushant was saying was very important, right? Some of us were on channels, various channels, to talk about this issue. So, like the aircraft which were down, okay, fine, we can joke about it today. But what happened on that night when Pakistan turned around and said that we have an Indian wing commander woman in our custody? You know, they put that out, and after they put that tweet out, then you had these Cheshire cat grinning commentators in Pakistan TV who were saying that Male Ganimat, that we can, she's ours and we can do what we want with her. Al Jazeera picks up from Pakistan, quoting that Pakistan says that a squad leader or wing commander has been captured, right? Once Al Jazeera puts that out, then European sites, American sites quote Al Jazeera and take that. What those sites don't say is that Al Jazeera has quoted Pakistan. Then what happens? Pakistan takes down their tweets. Their tweets. But Pakistan takes down their tweets in which they had posted, right? Those web portals say that squad leader has gone. Now, they're all quoting Al Jazeera. Al Jazeera had quoted Pakistan.
Who's taking it down?
But Al Jazeera doesn't take down theirs. They have quoted Pakistani portals and Pakistani tweets. Look at the wrong information. And then Indians pick up those Western, because हमारे लिए गोरों ने कुछ बोल दिया तो, you know, final. So pick up those Goras who have quoted Al Jazeera to say. Now what happened was that some of us asked the officers, asked the Forge, asked the MEA, is that lady, you know, Rafale pilot, has she been captured? So she had not been captured. She was very much there in Ambala.
In fact, Shivarur was interviewing
her. So he interviewed her. Some of us said that no, we will not. Why? Because we were advised that don't put her out on TV because is this what we're going to do? Every time Pakistan says one woman BSF captured, we are going to parade a woman and say nahi humne nahi captured, nahi unhone capture nahi kiya. Tomorrow they will turn around and say BSF ho gaya, army ka kisi ka humne kiya, special forces humne kiya, and we'll keep putting up pictures of our alive. Why should we? It's their disinformation. We are right now at a situation of a near war situation. Do not fall for it, but do not propagate it.
So can I just say one thing before? You know, you guys will agree with me. India is economically, military, cyber warfare, leap years ahead of Pakistan. But one place where Pakistan beats India hollow and is 2 decades perhaps ahead of India is misinformation. And let me tell you this. So I was in Singapore.
It's called strategic communication.
Yeah, so I was in Singapore with Zuru and he wanted to sort of do something. And the chef came up to me and he said, "Oh, India, it is this. Your planes were down." Right? The Rafale, the chef. A chef who's not even Indian in a Singapore restaurant comes and tells me this. Now, the reason that I'm trying to say this is what really hurt me and what really opened my eyes about Operation Sindoor is not one Pakistani, not one. And I'm sorry for being, this bothers me. Not one of those rats or cockroaches who even earned their bread and butter here once condemned what Asim Munir said. Because Asim Munir's hate speech started Pahalgam but led to this. Exactly. The whole narrative became India-Pakistan. But not one person, not one who even collaborates with Indians and becomes global star said, look, what Asim Munir has said, by the way, is also wrong. It shouldn't happen. We are not one people. These guys, as he rightly said, the misinformation is so strategic that the way they put it out, that one CNN reporter putting out that story, we humiliated them in Operation Sindoor. We hit Noor Khan, but that one stupid reporter, that's gone viral everywhere. All they have to do is manage a little bit. It's total misinformation. And I think that's something we need to learn from them and learn from their people. How to be loyal. I mean, I dislike Pakistan, but I have respect for their people. Look at the loyalty. Not one said anything wrong.
Okay, so this, Sushant, I come to you because you've seen how the narrative happened during the Kargil war. 71, we were children, so we don't remember that. But we remember what happened during Bombay strikes, the Bombay terror attack. We know Kargil, we know Siachen, we know all these events which have happened. The strategic ambiguity about how many have we downed, how many have we not downed, should that strategic ambiguity still be a policy that we follow, or is that, do we have to be radical in beating this misinformation?
See, I think you have to beat the misinformation, but my problem was how we handle the information flow. So, for example, when that finally we had the press conference of the DGMOs, why was it on the day it was held? Why wasn't it done earlier?
Before, yeah.
Correct.
Right? Because by that time, I think that was after the 10th, if I'm not mistaken, right?
After ceasefire.
After the ceasefire. उससे पहले तो सारा खेल चल रहा था यार.
Exactly.
What people don't understand is that there are three prongs on which any war is fought. One is the military prong. You kicked their ass. Okay. The second is the diplomatic one. You held your own. Nobody was in any case going to come out and openly say, India, go ahead and beat the Pakistanis even more. Everybody is, जो हम करते हैं, everybody would have said, no, we counsel restraint. Okay, the Azerbaijan, which is a shithole country, Turkey, which is even a bigger shithole country, they were backing these Pakistani, another third shithole country. So this alliance of shithole countries was together. Okay.
This
The
is very
Chinese also.
scatological.
No, but
Samosa
listen.
caucus.
The
If you're
Chinese.
talking about scat, it has
No,
to be
one
scatological.
second. But the Chinese, for example, even though they completely backed
They
the
were very
Pakis,
restrained, yeah.
they took a very restrained,
Yeah.
very moderate
Mature.
kind of
Yeah,
a
isn't
stand,
mature.
right?
Yeah.
So on the diplomatic side, I think we handled it fairly well. And the third side was the information side. Now, if for 5 days of a conflict, there is nobody from the government coming and giving information, nobody holding a press conference, and after everything is over, you are coming out. Why would you do that?
Listen.
But let me just finish, okay? And look on the other side. I was talking to some Western diplomats, and what they were saying is that in Pakistan, our missions out there were being deluged by these Pakistani former generals, foreign secretaries, foreign ministers. ये ISI और फौज वाले उनको they were sending them in droves to talk to the journalists, to talk to the diplomats, to feed them all kinds of information. What were we doing? They said out here there was nobody, we didn't know who to talk to, right? So the point is, this is all part and parcel of how you are engaging the international community, how you are creating narratives, how you are engaging with them. And on that, I really think we sucked. And the second thing, and I think I really need to say this because I feel very strongly about it. You know, we have a basic lack of understanding about Pakistan.
Yeah.
And one of the things is, so we've always made this distinction between the Pakistani state and the Pakistani society.
No.
Little realizing that between the Pakistan army, the Pakistani state and the Pakistani society, there is no difference. Don't make these fictitious distinctions between them. All their so-called YouTubers who gave this very, very liberal, moderate kind of thing, you scratch them, there is a jihadi waiting out there. There's a
agree with
Mia
you.
Mittu out there.
Can I just say this?
I
And
agree
this
with
is
you
something that
100%.
Sushant taught me.
Yeah.
If
जो
Indians
मैंने देखो
go...
सिखाया था, I hope you're not going against using that against
No,
me.
I'm
AC
using
तू
it to
जब
back you up.
normally जब ये बोलता है,
I'm
उस
using
जगह
this to
रो-
back you up. You know, he told me this. If there is a Pakistani sitting in Pakistan who
जनरल
is
बख्शी को कोट
supporting,
नहीं कर रहा ना.
if he's supporting Pakistan, if he's supporting India or talking about Indian talking points and things like that, there is no way in hell they are not ISI plants.
Really?
100%.
100%.
You cannot be sitting in Pakistan talking anything against the government or pro-India and not getting picked up by the ISI. It is a physical impossibility.
Even if you're a minority there,
It doesn't matter.
I'll give you an example.
Christian.
I'll give you an example. So, you remember there was this guy, some Ansari fellow Indian who fell in love with some girl. Then he crossed the border illegally. Then he had to spend some 5 years in jail. And then he finally came back. There was this Pakistani girl, journalist, who was reporting on his story, who was following it up. The ISI literally captured her, put her in, she became a missing person. Then she was released. She was tortured. Nobody knows where she is right now. She didn't have any connections. When somebody like a Arzu Kazmi or any of these other lowlifes, they try and pretend that they are very liberal, very moderate, very pro-India. इनको क्यों नहीं उठाया? इनका मैं सबसे पहले ये पूछता हूँ, भाई तुम्हारा बाप कौन है?
Correct.
ठीक है, अगर तुम्हारा बाप कहीं चपड़ासी था, जो इन सबके हैं, या वो कहीं पे, you know, he was a lower division clerk,
they
upper
never
division
rise
clerk.
to come to this
ठीक
level.
है, if they are doing all this, right?
Be rest assured.
How are they getting away with it?
Yeah.
Somebody is putting them onto it.
I want to say one
It's
thing.
like that.
And they are the honey traps.
Totally.
So at the top level is the Najam Sethi honey trap. Okay, for people at that level, the Karan Thappars and Thappars, all of them. That is the Najam Sethi honey trap. At the lower level, at the mass level, it's the Arzu Kazmi honey trap. These are intellectual. If Arzu
Who have
Kazmi can
come
be
on
called
all
that.
the
But
channels
I
and
want
who.
to add to one thing. Sid. I agree 1,000,000% with you.
Thank you.
Indians and Pakistanis.
today is a red
it's
letter day,
crazy.
man. He's agreeing with
we
me
are
on everything.
Not, and this people have to know we are not one people. Stop this bullshit of being one people. If we were one people, why don't these Pakistanis in Thailand and other places, London, have Pakistani restaurants? Why do they use Indian names?
Yeah, exactly.
We are not one people. These guys, you said, you scratch them, they're jihadis. Their only aim is destruction of India. They have nothing in commonality with India. They will not oppose India on anything. They do it because either it's a front or because they make money from India.
Okay, so this point that we are not one people, we are different,
not.
is something South Indians always knew.
Yeah.
Right? South Indians always knew कि वो अलग है. It's the sorry Paji, but it is the Punjabi people who are saying
are also part of the fraternity.
that
Yeah.
You're also
ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਹੈ.
So is you.
You know,
I'm
to
not
say
Punjabi,
that
what
we
is
are
it?
we are
Very
one
busy,
is
yeah.
something which is a Punjabi hangover. Bengalis don't have that.
No.
You know, you never see Bengalis
Never.
say that about Pakistan, even though East Pakistan
True.
was part of their country.
True. Where were these Khalistanis when the Golden Temple they put the Shaheen missile on?
Okay, now
Which hole are these rats in?
I want to come to these 2 points.
And remember
In
what
the
the
rat hole.
You remember the
It boils your
SGPC?
blood
One second.
boils, yaar.
Hello. Two, three things happened. First, the SGPC came after me.
Yeah, after this.
After the military had clearly said everything on the record.
Yeah.
Number one. And then I went on challenging them. Sabut to, ekdam chup.
See, there are many
One
things.
second. Second, none of you congratulated me on getting rid of jalebi.
Huh?
Getting rid of
Jalebi.
jalebi.
Wo, the Turkish company.
Acha, oh yeah, I did on live on air.
I did it online.
क्या बात कर रहे
I
हैं?
said it in a podcast.
But they're
online.
sexual legal-
No, I did a podcast because
मैंने तो तुम दोनों
give
ने
me award.
तेरे को
तुमने
legal
तो
notice
रात
दिया ना
भर
उन्होंने।
रात भर
उसने-
सूटकेस उठाए
So they send me a legal notice. You claim to be an alleged defense analyst, blah 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 bullshit. I was like,
Thank you.
BC तेरी औकात क्या है? तू कैसा लॉयर है?
अच्छा सुनो, एक मिनट हम लोग पाकिस्तान की बातें कर रहे थे. When we were talking about the
what am I
liberals-
getting as a gift?
एक मिनट अभी.
Are you giving me your iPad as a
अभिषेक,
gift
ये
for
ले,
jalebi?
lip gloss ले ले.
Thank you. See, this is my gift for.
तेरे खराब कर दिया.
हाँ, अच्छा. Now let me.
4,000 रुपीज डाउनलोड
हम लोग
Yeah.
liberals की बात कर रहे थे.
कौन सा वाला है?
चैनल का
there is no Pakistani liberal.
Chanel होता है.
Channel number 5.
अच्छा,
channel-
that's a
वो
pro-
Charlie number
ये
5 था.
200 रुपए का रास्ते से उठाया हुआ है. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है.
ये एक्सटॉर्शनिस्ट
Can
के
I
इतने
can I make a poem on this?
इसका मतलब ये एक्सटॉर्शनिस्ट नहीं हो सकती.
ये बजट में इतना ही था.
QED.
बजट में इतना ही था, 200 रुपए का. अच्छा, let me come to
Yeah,
this
the
part
two
which he
points.
was talking about. One is about हम एक कोई हैं, right?
बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Especially in this time. The second part is when he was talking about those Pakistani liberals, right? Now, it's very easy because they sound like people like us in the sense they talk and all that. Now, it was very convenient for a long period of time for those Pakistanis who used to come here and, you know, हम लोग वही picture देखते हैं, वही खाना खाते हैं and things like that. When India started going on this upward trajectory, when our economy started doing well, and most importantly, when we have these big shiny airports, उनको खटकती है ये बात. They used to think they have the shiny cars and they have the broad wide roads, all courtesy America, but that they don't say. And they have these, goods in their shops. Suddenly there is power cut. They have generators. Their shops are looking, empty shelves. They are run down. They don't have all that. Those who can run away from the country, the youth run away from this country. Here, there's a boom. Now, this 20 years of boom which is happening in this country, and we are CEOs of major companies and things like that, वहाँ पे नौकरियाँ नहीं है. So, even those elite don't like us anymore. They used to like us. So, people who Sushant and I have interacted with now are so frustrated because they feel that they are this poor country cousins compared to Indians. Not us. I'm not talking about individuals.
Overall India.
Overall India. They don't like the idea that we have left them far behind and we've gone ahead. So even that elite now says, what do they have? Go back to what suited
it's
everybody,
even more
army.
apart from that, there's a much more fundamental factor.
Yeah.
And that is that apart from whatever progress India has made, development has happened, there is this change which has come in India where Indians are no longer ready to turn the other cheek.
Yeah.
Or be subservient.
The Hindu community in particular in India has become a lot more assertive.
Correct.
Has become, they don't take this Pakistani bullshit lying down. Apart from some people from your fraternity in certain WhatsApp groups, which is now public information, so I think we can talk about it. Abhijit was also leaking them. Who will listen to the
Shameless you are.
jihadans from
What did I
Pakistan?
do?
Who
He's
will
just
listen to the jihadans from Pakistan and keep quiet because they are, too prim and proper and they can't say all of this
But
thing.
yes,
They want to be rising above all
Is
of
he, is
this.
he
But you know,
mimicking
Smita-
Bilawal?
Hello, who was I leaking? by
One
the way?
second, one second.
No, who was I leaking? मैंने क्या leak किया?
खान रात के अंधेरे में आता
अच्छा
है।
ठीक है नहीं
चोर रात के अंधेरे में आता है।
so I think what they no, one second. What they cannot stand, and you will see this across the board. They will keep this dog whistling. Modi hai, Modi hai, Modi hai, BJP, RSS. Little realizing it is nothing to do with Modi or BJP or RSS.
Huh.
There is a general assertiveness. Virat Kohli will go down to the field or a Rohit Sharma will go down to the field and he will not feel कि यार ये गोरा आया है तो मेरे को I need to kowtow to him. Maybe in the 60s and 70s that used to happen. Today these are world beaters, right? A Gukesh will
Gukesh,
go.
I was about to say
Yeah, a
Gukesh.
Gukesh will go.
Yeah.
He's a world beater, right? There is a complete difference which has come. They cannot understand this.
And they can't
How
bear
is this
Shashi
Hindu
Tharoor.
fellow
They were
being
like,
so
Shashi
assertive?
Tharoor ko kya hua?
हाँ, शशि थरूर को क्या हुआ?
Why Shashi Tharoor is talking
Because
like
As though
this?
Shashi Tharoor becomes a
क्या उनका
spokesman
है
for
क्या?
LET.
हाँ.
Because India is, but taking off from what you said, there's another difference. If you hear all our prime ministers politically agnostic, right from Nehru, his first speech, Peace to Destiny, where he talks about wiping every tear from every eye, ending poverty, to Modi, where he wants to be the fourth, third, second largest economy. Every prime minister's vision is economic development. Every army chief of us talks about, you ask the army chief what you want, he says, we want a professional force. Every army chief of theirs wants Kashmir. Every prime minister of this says, Inshallah, ek din Kashmir azad hoga. There is a fundamental difference between these two countries and the leadership. Our leadership focuses on our development. Our army focuses on making our army professional. Their army focuses on Kashmir and their puppet prime ministers focus on that. And that is the problem. As long as that problem persists, the prime minister is right. If the people can't take it in their hand, this is what's going to happen. Look at what Asim Munir has done. He's become field marshal after hiding in a hole like that Khalistani dude.
Yeah.
He was hiding in a hole bunker.
bunker में
अच्छा,
bunker
no,
में
that's
छुपा था।
not been verified as yet. But anyway.
कहाँ था
बोलने
वो?
में क्या हर्ज है?
See,
okay,
one
नहीं,
second,
this is-
one
this
second.
is
You
a
know,
problem.
all this
बोलने में
nonsense
हर्ज है।
about misinformation. Did you notice after the Al Jazeera thing, the Indian press, one section of the Indian press starts taking on misinformation.
Yeah.
Only by the Indian side, by the way. And
Abhijit,
honestly, if
it
Al
was-
Jazeera is a credible source according to you, bhai, you do have nothing.
No,
to
but
stand
there
on.
was that first 2 days the channels did go a little overboard.
No. They were
You
told to go
defended-
our port. We were all told from military channels to go because there were certain reasons which I am not going to reveal right now.
That's fine,
We
but-
were told to overload information for
that
certain
that
reasons.
whole siren and Karachi gir gaya, Lahore mein our guys have walked in and all. It was a bit much. It
no,
was very
it
hard.
wasn't, and I'll tell you why. You had to overload them. We were told to overload them with information.
Told to is a different.
Now I'm not going to tell you exactly why. There
Fine,
was a
okay.
reason for it. It was
Okay.
explained to some of us at least the
Okay.
ones who
Well, I don't know what the reason was, but personally,
It was
I would agree with what Smita is saying. That look,
The
you
drama.
share information. The information which you put out needs to be done in a way that it becomes credible. When you say कि हमारी फौजें अब इस्लामाबाद तक जा रही हैं.
when
It is-
listen, when the cameras are switched off, I will explain to you in detail. Even our Fauj Marine Commandos
Yeah, but
landing
whoever-
in Karachi.
No, whoever did
whatever,
that-
one second. Marine Commandos landing in Karachi. Fauj Islamabad tak ja rahi hai. It was all we pushed back on everything. We got very clear explanations of why certain things had to be done. I am completely unapologetic about it.
No, you might be, but I didn't
And
think it worked.
no, don't fall
We
into
are
this
saying
trap,
as
Sushant.
viewers.
You are allowing yourself to be judged by these third-rate lumps of shit.
No, I don't give a shit
I
about
don't.
that.
I'm very happy with the
Abhijit,
coverage.
So,
I support the coverage 100%.
Abhijit, 1 second. See, so, okay, you might support it because you knew what the objective was.
Military reasons.
I am now talking about as somebody who was watching it.
Yeah.
And I said, yeah, come on, don't do this, right? But it's insulting my intelligence. Please don't do this. Please. And the point was that you were actually hitting Karachi that night. You were actually
You could have
hitting
done it,
Lahore.
yeah.
You could have played
There
it
was
in
an
a way
element
that
of
you could have
truth.
screwed them.
Yeah.
But the way you did it was that everybody was
This will
lampooning
all
you.
make
Bandargah pe
sense.
pahunch
This will all
gaya.
make sense when I explain the operational
Okay,
reason, but I'm
fine.
not going to do that on
Fine.
camera.
Okay, that's all right. We can agree to disagree on the way it was
No,
covered.
we can't agree to disagree. We don't disagree on this. When I explain the reasons, it will all become clear. But I will not do it on camera.
Okay.
So
Anand-
democratic.
Acha, 1 minute.
I am not
Anand-
democratic at
You
all.
ये फिर चुप दब से चुप बैठा हुआ
हाँ,
है।
इसको
इसको
भी
भी
कोई
exercise कर रहा है।
घर पे कोई नहीं सुनता
हाँ,
यहाँ
यहाँ
वो तो
दोस्तों
ठीक
में
कर
कोई
दे,
नहीं
घर पे
सुनता।
तो
भैया
क्लास में
घर की
अभिजीत
बात
नहीं
छोड़
सुनता।
डिड यू हियर व्हाट
नहीं
सुशांत सेड कि वो एक्स की बातें कर नहीं सकता क्योंकि बीवी देख रही है
हाँ,
शो
हाँ, exactly.
हाँ वी लेट दैट पास
नहीं, नहीं, I did not let
समोसों
that
के
pass.
बीच
हाँ,
में
तू और आग लगा मेरे घर में 2 समोसे खिला के मेरे घर को जला रही है
हाँ, बोला
ये ANI वाले जो है ना स्कैरलस न्यूज
एक ISI और एक ANI
बस
मैं इंडियन
यार
स्टैटिस्टिकल
पहले आए तो NIA बोलते थे
Indian
और अब
Statistical
ऐसा
नहीं, दो चीजें कहनी है। देखो, एक जो अभिजीत कह रहा है ना अबाउट मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन बीइंग स्प्रेड टैक्टिकली, आई एग्री, दैट इज अ बोनाफाइड वे, बट what you say for me it holds more credence because believability of the population is also very important. What Abhijit says, I would accept it if a high ranking military officer would have said, look, I cannot disclose to you. Of course he or she would never say that, but if it comes from a channel other than Abhijit, then it's more believable कि हाँ, it's a military tactic. Because let's be very honest, Churchill deployed it during World War II. In fact, you had Operation Fortitude, bona fide operations conducted on paper to fool the enemy. So it's a bona fide mechanism. What I'm saying is, of course, I'm not asking him to divulge the reasons for what, but people would believe a military officer more than Abhijit. But so let's leave it at that.
Okay.
I just wanted to come
No,
to
wait,
let
one
me do
minute,
some-
one
हाँ, but
minute,
एक
one minute.
second,
No,
just
no, no.
one
Hang on,
experiment.
1
Quiet,
second.
quiet.
While Abhijit says that he got a directive.
हाँ.
No, I didn't get a
Directive,
directive.
directive.
I pushed
request
back
or
and
whatever.
asked.
Push back. Okay,
See,
wait.
you have to ask
So
why
this
things
was
are
the
being
first
done.
day when this happened, right? Which was now after all the channels went completely ballistic in their reporting with the sirens and the fire and the blatantly wrong thing about where we had targeted. Next day, of course, we targeted Zabardast. Some of us editors were called and we were told tone it down. So the next day we would, and the blame was laid on channels. Of course, us as a news agency, we were not involved at all. But I was invited. I mean, I was asked to be part of that meeting. All channel heads were there. We were about 30 of us in that meeting, and we were told that tone down. What you're doing is wrong.
So this would be 6th
Second
and
day.
7th was the first day.
Yeah, second.
7th and 8th was the day when everybody
Yeah,
went
so
ballistic.
then they said
and 8th
that
and 9th
you have
then,
overstepped.
Yeah.
So what happened was that there
Why-
was
why are we-
miscommunication at various levels.
Wire भी
One
बुलाया था
set
ना,
of
wire भी था आपके साथ, वहाँ कहते
नहीं,
tone
वो नहीं
down
थे.
what you're talking about
So there was one set of government directives, of government advisories or government information which was coming in to the channels to say that thoda misinformation डालो, थोड़ा सा बढ़ाओ, whatever. But I think some channels went just overboard
they
on
went
doing
ballistic.
that. And that's when the advisory was brought and all channel heads were called and they were told stop with the sirens and this thing which is wrong because there was
But can I
panic.
just point out something? This was confusion we saw across government. Government was giving certain news out there,
Yeah.
and those dolt set were doing something completely
So
different.
यार
I don't
अभिजीत
want
और
to-
क्या बोल रहे हैं? What else
See,
am I saying? That
that's
the
what he
way
started with.
What I'm saying is that this thing is all about strategic communication. How you are going to control the information
Narrative,
aspect
yeah.
of the war. So one is the kinetics of the war and the information about that. How do you handle the rest of it? How do you create your narratives? How do you sell information? How do you create those those information channels?
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.